Hi there, it's Professor Smith, and I wanted to introduce graphing linear inequalities with a couple of examples. So this first example I have is y is less than or equal to negative x plus 4. So that is already in slope-intercept form. So the first thing I do is note the y-intercept as the point 0, 4, and then I plot that y-intercept. Then I identify my slope as a fraction, which is the coefficient of x, which in this case is negative 1, and turning that into a fraction, I put it over 1. Since that slope is negative, that indicates that the line will be going down and to the right. So from my y-intercept of 0, 4, I move down 1 and right 1 to find a second point on the line. Now we know that it only takes 2 points to define a line, but I like to follow that pattern all the way to the edge of the graph to make sure that I get a nice accurate line. So I've connected the dots using a straight edge to form my currently linear equation, because right now this is only the line y equals negative x plus 4, but we need to account for the inequality of less than or equal to. So we need to choose a test point, and that test point can be any point that is not on the line. My favorite test point to use is 0, 0, or the origin. So to use my test point, I need to replace both the x and y in my linear inequality with the values from my test point. So that is 0 is less than or equal to negative 0 plus 4. Or simplified, that's 0 is less than or equal to 4. This is a true statement, indicating that the 0, 0 side of the line is the true side, and therefore the other side of the line is the false side. And our directions are to shade the true side of the line. So once I've identified which side of the line is the true side, I put my shading in. And that's it for the first example.